So the problem is when one guy is 2-3 years injured, what can we do? So you have to know exactly. So but the problem that Vincent had in the past is no problem injured, but the last 2 years, 2.5, had a lot of problems, and of course, maybe it's the second or third or fourth game in the season, so it's not too much. And of course, with all the players like Gabriel Jesus, for example, and with Gündogan, so would have been stronger. So because you can give rest to Kevin, to David, but in general we're so happy he's coming back, and hopefully we can take care of him and be fit until the end of the season.